Let AI plan my entire YouTube content for 30 days. Every single video idea, every title, even the upload schedule. All decided by AI. My job was just to follow the plan, make the videos, and see what happens. Did my views go up? Did the videos flop? Did I lose my mind halfway through? In this video, I'll show you exactly what happened when I turned my content calendar over to AI for a full month. What worked, what definitely didn't, and how you can use AI to plan your channel without letting it totally take over. Welcome to AI Hustle Hub, where we use AI to build smart, scalable online income streams and help you make money with AI. If you're into faceless YouTube channels, YouTube automation, and AI tools, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down my 30-day experiment, where I let AI plan my YouTube content step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how I used AI, what I'd keep, what I'd change, and how you can copy the parts that actually help you grow. Let me start with why I even did this to myself. Like a lot of creators, I kept running into the same problems. I had too many ideas, but never knew which one to make next. I would waste hours planning instead of actually creating. Some weeks I was super consistent, and other weeks I posted almost nothing. So I thought, what if I just let AI be my content manager for a month, instead of waking up thinking, what should I make today? I wanted to wake up and already have the topic, angle, and title ready to go. The rules were simple. AI would generate 30 days of content ideas for my niche, AI side hustles, and faceless YouTube. AI would also suggest titles and basic outlines for each video. I would follow the plan, make the videos, and only make small adjustments if something was really off. At the end, I'd look at the analytics and my sanity and decide, was this actually worth it? Here's how I set everything up before day one even started. First, I defined my niche in one sentence: faceless YouTube and AI hustles, teaching people how to use AI to make content and money online. Then, I went to my AI planner and gave it a very specific prompt. Something like, you are my YouTube content strategist. Create a 30-day content calendar for a faceless YouTube channel about AI side hustles and YouTube automation. Mix tutorials, list videos, case studies, and experiments. For each day, give me a video title, a one-sentence description, and the main angle or promise of the video. It came back with a full table of video ideas. There were things like 5 AI tools that can run your YouTube channel for you beginner's guide. Start a faceless YouTube channel with AI. I tried letting AI choose my side hustle for a week and 10 AI hustles. You can start with no money. Then, I asked it to group them. Group these 30 ideas into themed weeks so the channel feels like a series, not random videos. It organized them into Week 1, Beginner AI and YouTube Basics. Week 2, Tool Breakdowns and Tutorials. Week 3, Experiments and Challenges. And Week 4, Money, Monetization and Scaling. Now I had a full 30-day plan, arranged by theme, with a title and concept for every single day. At this point, AI had basically become my content manager. All I had to do was execute. Week 1 was all about beginner content. AI decided that my first week should be very simple, very accessible. How to start a faceless channel. AI tools for complete beginners. Why YouTube automation is not a scam but also not magic. Here's what I noticed. On the plus side, it pushed me to make videos I had been putting off because they felt too basic. The ideas were clear and easy to turn into scripts, and I didn't waste a single minute thinking, what should I make? On the downside, some titles felt a bit generic, like they'd already been used 1,000 times. The topics were safe, almost too safe. But overall, week 1 felt good. I uploaded consistently, the videos did okay, and I was getting into the rhythm of just following the AI plan. Week 2 was all about tool breakdowns and tutorials. The AI gave me titles like Best AI Tools for Faceless YouTube Channels, CapCut Plus AI, Full Workflow for Faceless Videos, and How to Use AI to Write YouTube Scripts in Minutes. These videos were great for searchable content and tutorials. People love tools. But here's what happened. They took longer to make because I had to screen record and show everything step by step. Some videos felt very similar, a lot of Tool A versus Tool B versus Tool C. I realized something important here. AI is really good at saying, people like tool videos. So here are 10 tool videos. But it doesn't feel the human boredom of making the same style over and over. By the end of week 2, I was still posting, but I was starting to feel a bit like a robot, just following orders. Week 3 is where things got fun. This week was all about experiments and challenges. Like, I let AI decide my upload time for a week. I tried 3 AI thumbnail styles and compared the results, and can AI write a better hook than me? These videos felt fresh and personal, even though the channel is faceless. I was actually excited again, because I got to show results, not just tutorials. The titles created curiosity. What happened? The AI was finally being used to create stories, not just lists. Interestingly, these videos had better audience retention, because people wanted to see how the experiment ended. This is where I realized AI is really good at planning structures for content. Challenge, before versus after, I tried X for 7 days, and so on. When AI suggested experiment-style ideas, and I plugged in my own real results, the combination worked really well. Week 4 was the money week. AI planned videos around topics like how much you can realistically make with a faceless channel, monetizing AI content without AdSense, and 5 income streams you can add to a faceless AI channel. These topics did well because they directly answered the question everyone has. But how much can I actually earn? And people who watched were highly interested, not just casually curious. By the end of week 4, I had posted consistently for 30 days, covered my niche from beginner to advanced, and mixed tutorials, tools, experiments, and money content. So, did AI planning my content for 30 days actually help? Let's talk about what worked and what really didn't. Here's what definitely worked about letting AI plan my content. Number 1. No decision fatigue. I didn't wake up thinking, what should I make? I just looked at the plan, wrote the script, and got to work. Number 2. Better structure. The videos flowed into each other. Beginner week 2, tools week, 2 experiments, to monetization. The channel felt like a journey, not random uploads. Number 3. Consistency. Because the plan was already done, I was way more consistent. And consistency is one of the hardest parts of YouTube. Number 4. New angles I wouldn't have thought of. Especially the experiment and challenge style videos. Those came from AI, not from me. AI was a great strategist and idea generator. But there were also some big problems. Here's what didn't work so well. Problem 1. Generic titles. Some AI titles sounded like every other video in my niche. They were okay, but not amazing. I had to tweak them to make them more me. Problem 2. Repetition. AI loves patterns. If tool videos perform well, it wants to give you 20 more tool videos. That's great for the algorithm. Not so great for your creativity. Problem 3. No sense of your energy. AI doesn't know when you're bored, tired, or excited. Jet optimizes for content types, not for how drained you feel after making 7 similar tutorials in a row. Problem 4. It can't see your analytics in context. AI can guess what might work, but it doesn't truly understand your exact audience without you feeding it that data and interpreting it yourself. So if I did this experiment again, here's what I'd change and what I recommend you do. First, I wouldn't let AI decide everything. Instead, I'd do something like 70/30. 70% of my content planned by AI, and 30% reserved for my own ideas, random inspiration, or reacting to what's happening. Second, I'd ask AI to give me content themes instead of fixed daily videos. For example, give me 4 themes for next month and 5 video ideas under each theme. Then I'd choose the ones that feel the most exciting and relevant. Third, I'd use AI as a consultant, not a boss. I'd still ask, which of these ideas feels most aligned with my audience right now? And does this topic actually excite me? AI is powerful, but you know your audience and yourself best. If you want to try a lighter version of this 30-day experiment, here's a simple action plan. Step 1. Ask AI to generate 20 video ideas for your niche. Ask it to mix tutorials, lists, experiments, and money topics. Step 2. Pick 8 to 12 of those ideas that actually excite you. Turn them into a 30-day content plan, maybe 2 or 3 videos per week. Step 3. For each video, have AI help you with the title, the outline, and the script. Then edit everything so it sounds like you. Step 4. After the 30 days, look at your analytics. Which AI-planned videos did best? Which ones did you enjoy making the most? Use that to shape your next month. So, did letting AI plan my content for 30 days work? Yes, but not because AI is magic. It worked because it removed a ton of friction and forced me to be more consistent. AI can plan your calendar, write your scripts, even help with titles and thumbnails. But it's your job to bring the judgment, the taste, and the discipline to hit publish. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more real experiments with AI and faceless YouTube channels, make sure you like this video, subscribe to AI Hustle Hub, and comment below if you want to see a video where I let AI not just plan but also create an entire video from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.